What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at how to schedule muting sounds on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to schedule muting sounds on your S25 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. First thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for sound and vibration, and then from there what you want to do is hit sound and vibration. From there what you want to do is hit mute at the top of the page, and then you want to look for temporary mute, and then you can schedule how long you want to have your phone muted for. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to schedule temporary mute on your Samsung Galaxy S25 device. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.